SmartDraw lets you create diagrams directly from data, eliminating the need for manual drawing. There are a couple different ways to do this. From the dashboard, click on Integrations here on the left to find a list of our many data visualizers. To access the data visualizers with a document already opened, click the plus icon to switch the Smart panel to the Insert Content view. Scroll down to the Add Data Visualizer section and select the type of data visualization you want to create. Generate an organizational chart by importing a list of employees from Entra ID or from where you manage employees. Connect your AWS account and generate a diagram of your current AWS infrastructure automatically. Generate a diagram of your cloud architecture by connecting to Azure. Generate an ERD diagram using table definitions from your database. Create a visual of your classes and their properties by pointing SmartDraw to GitHub or your local code repository. SmartDraw can add Jira tickets to any workspace. You can also push ideas and tickets generated during your meetings and brainstorming sessions back into Jira. It's just as easy to build decision trees, UML sequence diagrams, or charts and gauges all from data without any drawing at all.